Hello, coming to you today from Epping, New Hampshire. I'm at an open house, 31 Old State Road. Now, the really cool thing about this house is that it was built in 1740, and it has a portion that was built in 1850, and then it has a 2006 addition. So I'm going to walk you through because I find this place fascinating. Right now I'm on the screened-in front porch area. Such a gorgeous day, having everything, all the windows open. It's so nice. But you can actually put the glass in for winter, so you can still sit out here and have coffee in the morning. This is kind of a little, you walk in, there's this little area to hang coats and maybe that mudroom area the other day on my other video I talked about. Then we come right into the kitchen and you can see the old beams. Very cute kitchen. And that leads into the dining room, back around to me. There's actually a full bath right off the kitchen here. So it's really, and the cool thing too I like is there's a pass-through window into the dining room. And right now there's cider right there in the little crock pot. If you can imagine how good that smells with some cloves next to it too, cinnamon and cloves. So it smells really wonderful in here. All right, so I just walked through. That was actually the 1850 portion. This is now the dining room. This is the old 1740s. So that's the dining room with that pass-through window in the wall there. And then there's a little seating area here, and behind me is this amazing fireplace. So cool. So the seating area kind of goes around this fireplace. And so this is the other side of this fireplace. And there's more seating on this side, the fireplace. And there's actually a bedroom. Walk through here. There's actually a bedroom on the bottom floor, first floor. Closet. Very cute. And then it leads up to these stairs here, which I will go ahead and make my way up. Gotta love these old homes with so many different rooms and so many possibilities. So this room, when you come to the top of the stairs, you could have it be whatever you want. An office, a study. Right now with kids staying, doing remote learning, kind of be a nice place for them to have that. The other two bedrooms are off of this reading nook area. So there's one bedroom, two closets. Come back out here. That's the stairs we just came up. And on the other side there, we've got some exposed brick in the room. And there's the bed with kind of a nice little nook in there. Put furniture or knickknacks or whatever. And then they've created kind of a walk-in closet by putting up this armoire, but it could be all open as well. So a really, really neat room. Again, the seating area. But then we come to another area, which it's like a library. It's got shelving on the walls for books. So this could be another place where the kids could do their remote learning. And there's actually a full bath right off that as well. Or even have this be an entertainment space. You could even make this a movie room. And another cool thing, there's second floor laundry and a refrigerator up here as well. So now we're stepping into the addition that was built in 2006. And so this has its own separate entrance downstairs. So it could be a business of some sort right now. I believe she's doing a sewing crafting business out of here. But it's really a really cool space. Walk back here and kind of give you a view of the whole thing now in the front. It's a 3-story addition. So we're going to go up these stairs. Oh, way up the stairs, getting my exercise today. And now this area is lofted. Right now it's just got storage, but you could do so many things with this space. My mind is going everywhere, thinking things I'd like to do with it. And then you go ahead and you can look down at that space we just were at. So it's really, I don't know, this actually even looks like it was maybe set up as a playroom at some point so the kids could play. Can have all their toys out here in the addition. That's what we did in our house. We put all the toys kind of in the addition so the kids can go and play. Nothing ever comes into the main house. This would be a fantastic play area. Of course, I always got kids on my mind. All right, let me see if we can go down to the office part. So now we're going down to the first floor on the addition, which is the other entrance. The house has a couple entrances here. Okay, yeah. So right now they're just using this for storage, but this is the separate door you would come in, and it's a whole office space. Goes all the way back. So many possibilities. So many things you can do in this place. Very, very fun open house to have today. I hope people come by so I can show it off. And now I'm back to where I started. And there's let's see if we can look through the window here in the kitchen. There's a shed out in the backyard that's wired for cable and electricity. So you can have a she shed or a man shack or whatever they call it out there. Pretty nice looking yard. The old trees. Of course, everybody has leaves out there now. All right, back into the kitchen where I'm going to go have a sip of my cider. If anyone's in the area and you want to come by and see this place for yourself, I encourage you to do so. It's so awesome to be able to walk in and be in a piece of history. Oh, look, I love the medallion above the light. I forget what that's called. I'll have to look that up. I should know. And the exposed brick all over the place. Another favorite of mine. And maybe I'll end right over here by this fireplace again. So yes, everyone, if you're here in Epping area, I'm here until 2, so please stop by. Or if you're not able to come today, but you do want to come see it, just give me a call. We can have an appointment and I can show you around. Let me give you the details. Probably would help if you knew some more things about it, and I don't want to just guess. All right, so it's 31 Old State Road in Epping. The price is $643,500, and year built was 1745, and it is a 4-bed, 2 full baths. Any other information you'd like to know? I have it all here and can send it to you. Everyone, I hope you're having an awesome day with this gorgeous weather we're having, and I will see you soon.